I don't know.
They're dancing. Look.
Oh no!
Whoa! Whoa! They're going in.
Whoa!
Did you go in?
I'm on it.
I'm in.
I'm going
What?
What's happening, brother?
I have no idea, man. We got sucked in the portal.
I'm not in the portal anymore. Whoa!
Go in. Go in. Go in.
Go in where?
There's like a crystal
Nick,
ball.
I'm in this weird place.
Oh my god, me too.
Look, see, I tell you this is where and then you pickaxe what you want, Nick.
Oh my god.
Ah, going for the blade, brother.
Oh, the sword.
Where's the sword? Yes.
This is the vault. That's what this is.
Oh, it is the vault. Yeah, like you get vaulted. Oh. We should have went down there.
No, we're not going down there. We won't be able to see anything.
They're going down there. Wait.
Yeah, we're gonna go down into the vault and vote. Let's go. You don't take fall damage.
Oh!
No, what just
My
happened?
screen's white. I'm flying. Yo, Ninja, you're here.
They're voting. Everyone's voting the drum gun. We have to. No.
Yeah,
You got a melee attack, SMG. No.
Let's go. Yeah.
This is the guy. This is the guy in Epic, dude. He makes all the decisions. Wait, yo, wait. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the mask.
The what?
The mask on the desk. That's got to be a skin.
Mask. Oh, you're over here. Oh yeah, look at that.
I wonder if each melee counts as a vote.
I doubt that though. I think it's only like one melee per person. Stop. What's about the crack?
Boom. Drum gun just got involted. Wait, no!
Yes! Yes! Oh my god, look, it's so beautiful.
What's going on?
Bro, get to the attack SMG, dude.
Dude,
if the drum gun comes back, I swear to God.
These fucking season 5 bots, dude. Shit.
Desk. This is probably the desk of the guy that.
Honestly, it's a lost cause. There's like 2 people in the tag.
Yo, no one's going for the fucking grappler.
Yeah.
Oh no, here it is.
What is it?
That ball is gonna unleash. That ball is gonna unleash the drum gun.
Drum gun, dude.
Are you fucking kidding me, dude?
The drum
Are
gun.
you kidding
Are
me?
you so dumb?
I'm so pissed, bro. This is some Inception fucking bullshit, dude.
No.
I can't believe
this
you
kid just
Fortnite
L-danced on me.
Oh my god!
No!
What have we done?
Wait, maybe it eliminated it.
Uh-oh. We're all floating up.
Back up.
Oh no.
What have we done?
We're
What
gonna
did we do?
have 4 Tommy guns in our inventory.
There was no avoiding it. It didn't matter how hard we went after anything else.
Whoa.
You know that was
whoa,
the
Yo, the
whoa.
volcano! The volcano!
Volcano!
Oh dear god.
Oh my god.
Oh dear god.
Uh-oh.
Oh dear god.
Yo, Loot Lake is gone.
Erupting,
Watch.
dude.
Don't hit
Got
retail.
entire
Don't
northeast
hit
corner.
retail!
Bro, Tilted's
Yo,
under snow. Dude,
whoa.
Tilted's. Oh, wait. No, I'm looking at Tilted. I'm an idiot. Okay.
Yo, wait, is it going for retail?
No.
Oh my god.
Tim!
We couldn't save it! Are you kidding me? It's gone, dude!
No!
No!
There's another
Retail!
one!
Oh,
It's
got a
going for
second one.
Tilted!
No.
Wait,
It's going
wait.
for Tilted!
No.
It's going for Tilted!
No.
Specifically, please hit that new building.
Wait, Polar! That was Polar!
It's Polar Peak.
Polar Peak just got hit.
Now everyone has drum guns, please.
The volcano.
Hi. Look at the volcano. Oh my gosh.
Dude, please.
The lava's super bright.
Please don't burn down our looting spot.
It's going dark. Oh!
Wait, what is that?
Look, it's like a rocket.
It's a squid. It's like a.
Ew. A lava squid. Retail.
Retail!
And tilted. No, it's tilted as well, I think. Look at retail. It's gone. Half it's gone. There's tilted. That has to be tilted. There's no other way. Tilted.
It's
yeah.
shifty. It's shifty. No, wait, no. That was my greasy.
That's like, yeah, just like in the middle of nowhere. What is this one?
Tilted.
I
Yo!
just went to 4. Tilted, yeah.
Boom. Oh my god. Right before the tournament.
Oh, our throwaways are gone.
Boom.
Yo! Oh my god, it's gone.
That's it, dude.
Does that mean it's just like it's back, bro?
Oh, look at the volcano. Look at the volcano.
Oh. Oh. Bye-bye, Tilted.
No. Right now?
Bye-bye, Tilted.
No! Oh my
Let's
god,
go to
actually.
Tilted, bro.
No, let's go retail. Let's go retail, right?
Isn't it Dusty again?
Retail! Oh my god!
Wait.
No,
it's
no,
not
no,
over.
no, 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 no,
It's
no.
Tilted. This is for Tilted.
That's Tilted, man. Oh my god, this is the sad. All these times. That's the saddest shit. Yes!
It did it, Tilted.
Come on, baby. Stop blowing up.
It cracked Polar Peak. Oh,
No,
man.
that is 100% Tilted right here.
Oh, it just broke into like 4
Wait,
pieces.
what the hell?
Yup.
Oh.
Yup.
Oh. Oh.
That
Oh.
one just really sealed the deal, didn't it?
That last one. Oh no. Well, what about Sunny? Oh my god, the game's on.
That's it.
I'm going Tilted.
Yo,
Oh
everyone's
no.
going Tilted right now.
I gotta pump. Oh my
Man,
god,
I'm landing
bro.
on a smoke grenade, dude. I'm just gonna get the heck out of here.
Oh, this got a drum gun, dude. He just melted me.
You hear the drum gun?
Yeah, he melted me.
That shit got smoked, son. Yeah.
I'm diamond tilted.
Yeah.
Dude.
Fuck Tilted Towers. And retail.
Dude, tilted's so bad.
It's so shit now. Yes.
The drum gun's unvaulted.
I'm gonna find me a drum gun.
Wait, there's actually so many chests that are just on the ground now. Wait, you can't. Bro.
Whee! Who has it? I'm gonna go kill him.
This guy right here next to me. Come here. Oh my god, you dropped it. Come here.
Bro, this shit's